So what you can do is go to canva.com, right? Canva.com, right? Go there. Right. If you don't have an account, you need to create an account over here. It's free of charge, right? You need to create an account over there. And then once you are home, right? Let me do this, right? Once you're at home like this, what you can do is that you can maybe search for YouTube, right? YouTube thumbnail, right? So you can see, let me see this here, YouTube thumbnail. Let me search for something like that. Okay, so any of them, just click on any of them, then it will open in another another window for you. Now when you come here, let it finish loading. What I want you to do is to go here, right? Click on uploads, right? Click on uploads over here, right? You can see that we have this uploads over here, right? Click on that upload, and then click on this upload media. When you go here, right, now go to your static or whatever you downloaded it, go to that, and then the image.jpg that you downloaded, right? Open that image over here. Okay, now you see that it's loading, then it's going to be there, right? Then click on that and put it over here, right? You can just drop it to make it fix inside, or you can just drop it over here, and then you can just stretch it from the side to side, right, to make it fit well, right, as you wish, right? Normally I prefer to just drag it like this and make it fall there automatically like that. All right, now once this is done, right, just click on that. If you click on that, not double click, just one click, right, before you see these things over here, right? Then click on this, right, this symbol that you can see over here, this thing. Okay, click on that. If you click on that, you can now dim the color, right? Whatever color that you want. Now, there's one more thing that let me actually delete this one. This background here, make sure this background first, make it black. Okay, make it black. Let me delete everything here. It's black. I just use Control A to highlight everything that was on it, right? Let me undo everything so that you get to see, right? So initially when we came, this is what was there, right? So I just click on it, then delete it, right? And then click on this one here, and then select black color over here, and then use Control A to select everything that is on it, delete it. I just want something blank over here. Okay, if you want to create another one, you can just click on this plus sign, then it will create another one down here for you, but it's not necessary. So now just hold this one and then bring it here. Okay, now click on that image. Now these things will appear. Click on this one that I showed you, then dim it, right? Okay, now it's better now. It's better now. You don't want it to be too bright so that it will interfere, right? The background will interfere with what is on that. So once this is done, you can just click on download over here, and then download. Now when you click on download, automatically by default it's going to suggest you PNG. That's not what we want. We want JPEG, right? JPG, right? Remember that the image that we're dealing with is image.jpg, right? So select this one and then click on download, and then make sure that you're downloading it at the place where in that folder, folder that we created. So go inside, go to static, and then download it over here. Okay, now when I come here, this is the one that we just downloaded, right? I'm just going to delete this one which is already there. Yes, then I'll come here and then rename this one as that. Rename it. I'm going to rename it as image. All right, then come here and then delete the E. Make sure it's JPG, not JPEG. Enter. That's it. You are done. Okay, you're done. Now if I come here and then refresh again, okay, you see that I refresh but I'm not seeing the image. So go here again to your cookies, right? And then go to clear browsing data and then clear it, and then come back, refresh. Great. Now you see that now the background is dimmed, as you can see the image, but it's a bit darker, right? If it's too dark for you, you can just go back. You can just go back, click on it, come here, and then make it a bit lighter, right? Make it a bit lighter, and then you download it again, and then you just do it the same process that we did, right? Now let me come back here. Now if I search for any movie at all, like we're doing earlier on, so maybe if I search for, say, Star Wars. If I search for it, let's see how this one is. Okay, great. Now you see that you can see the words clearly. You can see these things clearly, right? Now you see that you can read the text is not interfering that much, right? Now that is great. That is great, right? That's what we want. That's what we want. That's what we want. Now, that is one thing. Now, if you are searching for something, right? If you are searching for something, so for instance, maybe let me see if there's a movie like this, White House Down, right? Now, if I click on enter here, right? You see that it's searching. You can see this searching thing that you're seeing, right? It's a GIF that I downloaded from. You see, it's this thing. It's this thing here. This is what is doing that, right? So you can download whatever that you want. So if you don't want this thing, what you can do is that go to Google. Let me go here. Go to Google and then search for loading GIF, right? Loading GIF. You come here. You can download any of these one. This is the one that I downloaded, right? This is the one that I downloaded and that I'm using. So you can maybe change it to anything that you want, maybe something fancy or whatever that you want to change it to. You can just go through. Let me see. If you click on any of them, it's just going to show you how it's going to look, right? It's just going to play and then show you how it's going to look. Now, this is how this one is going to look, right? So when you use it, right? So, I mean, you can just use it the way that you want. You can just select any of them. This is how this one is going to look. Let me see this. This is how this one is going to look, right? This, let me see this. This is how this one is going to look, right? So I mean, depending on your preference and or what you like, right, you can just change it to whatever that you want, right? If you want something fancy, that's up to you. You can just change it, or something simple like the one that I used. It's all up to you. Right? It's all up to you. So maybe let me just try this one and then see how it goes, or maybe something like this. Let me see. Maybe I actually don't want something complicated. I want something simple, right? So let me see you. Let me see how you're going to look. This is not bad. Let me see how this one is. If you wanted something like that, you can use. I mean, it's all up to you, right? You can even use Chrome itself, right? So whatever that you want, you can even use that one, right? So it all depends on you what you want to use over here. So let me try this one and see. I'm just going to download this, or maybe something. Let me look for something with a white background that looks good for me. Right, this one looks similar to the one that I was using. I want something that's maybe to be different from what I was using. Okay, let me download this one. So save as, and then you make sure that you're saving it into that same how do you call it, that same static, right? So static, you make sure that you're saving it over there, right? So if I come here, you see that it's there, right? You see that it's there. So I'm going to delete this one. It's called loader.gif. So I'm going to delete that, move to trash. And then this one, I'm going to name it as loader. Okay. I'm going to name it as that. And then when I come here and then let me start searching for something and see if it will work. Maybe let me look for anything here, enter. Okay, now you see that it's not working. So what you can do is to do this thing again. Right? Sometimes the image has been cached, so just clear it, right? And then maybe just refresh it. Now search for whatever you want to search and then see. All right. Now you see that it's there, right? Now you see that this image has been interfering. But what I want, let me search again and then show you what I wanted to say over there, right? I don't want this background to be there. I wanted the background to be white so that it won't be like some image which is there, right? So let me download something with a white, a very white background, right? So maybe this one will do, right? This one should do. So let me save this one. Yes, make sure it's in static. Then I'll come here and then delete this one, and then this one I'll name it as loader, right? I'll name it as loader. Then I'll come back here and then clear the cache image again, and then come here, refresh. Great. Then I'll search for whatever I want to search, right? Now you see that is there. You see that is there. So depending on what you want, you can just change it, edit it the way that you want, right? So you see that is working fine for us, right? That's it. That's what you can do. So that's everything works very, very fine for us. Now the good thing that you see that this movie, right? You see the ones that are closer to that movie is being recommended to us. The recommendation works perfectly for us. It works perfectly for us, right? It's not like I search this Santa Claus movie, then it's going to give me Star Wars or something like that. It's going to give you movies that are similar to that, right? And I can see that these are movies that are similar to that particular movie, right? And it's giving me that, right? So it works perfectly for us. This is a crazy application that you can show to your employers for them to actually see that yes, you have built something which is good. Now, what else can I show you? I think that is it. Right, basically that is it. I've already shown in this one requirement.txt, we have those those libraries that we're going to install, right? So those are the libraries. If you want to deploy it on Heroku, you need this one so that it will automatically install it for you. Okay, and then you're going to need this proc file over here, which is going to contain only this web Ganicon main app. That's the only thing that you're going to need over here. Okay. So that is it. And the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can deploy this thing. So we have used Flask. This one is in my local system. You can see that over here, right? We've not deployed this to the cloud, right? In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can deploy this one to the cloud using Heroku. Okay. So see you in the next tutorial.